all that evolution, money has been transferred into Hugos. Next step is to create your FX account. So what you want to do is go to your My Accounts. I just did that. You go into, just to get started. Okay, so you're here. What you need to do is click My Account. You're going to go in here. I'm doing it again, making another account, just so you see. And you're going to decide which way you want it to go. Do you want to do a demo or do you want to run? So you're going to click on this. And then it's going to, in here, select your currency, which will be US. And then you're going to want to do your leverage. Leverage is the amount of money they're gonna loan you to trade with. I don't want to go any higher than 50, and that's what I did. So, and now you're at that point. Now that I'm at that point, okay. Now, because I now have leverage, this is it right here, and then next step is how to deposit my funds. Equity. So I guess internal transfer. So internal transfer, select transfer type, wallet to MetaTrader, and then to the account, and then amount to transfer. I can transfer right now is $50. That's all I get. Okay, request. I'll give me like $6 over the thing. Okay, transfer was successful. Boom. And there it is. Done. All right, so there we are. That done. Still got $6 in there. I'm trying to on MetaTrader. Okay, downloading and signing into MetaTrader. How do I create a live MetaTrader? Just did that. How do I transfer my funds? I just did that. So I guess now I gotta downloading and signing into MetaTrader Windows guide. Sign step-by-step guide downloading and signing into MetaTrader Windows. Download MetaTrader depending on. Click Run Open to start. Check out the terms and conditions and click Next. Program will start to install. Once installed, click Finish and MetaTrader should open up automatically. Follow the box to pop up on MetaTrader once the program is started. So MetaTrader Real, Live, or Demo. Okay. That was all there was there. It was that easy. Okay, so not helping me. Okay. How do I create a live MetaTrader account? Which is what I just did. Live account, so deposit account, my accounts, and click create account. Next choose type, which is what I just did. And now click my accounts and your new account is there. That's all right there. So that's there. Oh, yeah. Let's try. Let's jump to email real quick. Approved. Here's a approved. Okay, server real. Account number is trader password. Invest. I want trader, not investor. Okay, good. Give me that. And I'm going to need all that when I go to put this in robot. Download MetaTrader, Android, and here we go again. Okay, I forgot. It goes down below here. Okay, so this is going to pop back up, and you're going to go yes, yes. Okay. Now we're going to go next. And it's going to be going here. All this stuff, if you want outside training information, you can do that. Okay, finish. See if that goes in. I think I just got to log in. This is what gets me screwed up. All right, let's hold on. We're doing this again. I did a log in. I think. Here we go again. I got to do this again. Jesus. It changes every time. So, this brings you to this account here. It's got nothing to do. Doesn't appear to have anything to do with your Hugos trading account. Okay. Oh, I was in my email, wasn't I? God, it came from my email. Okay. I'm not a trader. Let's go back into here. Okay, so you've already done this. Already done your agreement. Next. That's already. All right. I don't know. What happens if I do this? It's email and my password. Log in or email. Oh no, I gotta figure it out and I'll get back with you. We're back. So after uploading that, you're gonna see this and it's gonna ask you this. So in my case, it's Hugos 3, Hugos Way 3. And then I'm gonna go next. And then it's gonna ask exist, and then I gotta write, then I gotta put in this real account. Real. I'm gonna go back to, maybe it's my password, no? Oh, maybe. Oh, wait a minute, maybe down here. Ah, gotcha, okay, down here. Gotcha. All right, let's go back up. Password. Log in. Let's go back here. Okay, can I copy, go back? Login's got to be that. Okay, let's go. Hopefully that is it. Finish. FM. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, now I need to add a new one. Subscription, automation. I need my account. Now I gotta go back to, okay, I need to go back to my, okay, never mind. Let's try this again. Okay, accounts. Okay, copiers. Counts. I need a new one. Okay, let's go this way. New. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Paste. I gotta go back to all right, server broker. Now we gotta find a real 3 and subscription, automation, and I believe we're gonna submit. Bam. See what it does. She's connecting. Right now I got three going right now. She's like 117. Forex is 118. Automation's collecting. Might be hooked up already. And it's already online. Give me a balance of 50-50. We are there. Okay. One-on-one. I need to make sure we have, that's all correct. I'm done with that. Back to copiers. Okay, 1%. Okay, everything's on 1%. I guess I'm just going to leave it like that. All right, so there we are. You saw how I did that. And Hugos Way is now online. All I got to do is add more to it, and we'll see what happens. Everything's 111. I'm going to leave it alone. I like it. All right. So thanks for watching. Hit the comment, subscribe, definitely share. And catch me on the next Crosby's Journeys into FX.